Welcome again to this presentation by Samuel Edit. So in this presentation, I'm going to show you how to earn in pounds and dollar. So let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about mindset. A lot of people always believe that things don't work for them. Some people are credited it to their village people, while some just believe that it can't work for them. So if you are such, I want you to go away with such mentality. I want you to go away with such mindset. If Victor can do it and it work for him, and also Amaka can also do it and it work for her, that means you can do it and it work for you perfectly. The thing is not about how you can't do it, but the thing is about how you can do it. Go away with mindset that you can't do it. You can actually make money online with your smartphone and internet connection and the necessary knowledge, which is what we are going to know about in this presentation. Irrespective of your gender or your age or your location or your background or where you are coming from, this doesn't matter. You can actually make money online and make it perfectly. So let's move to the next slide. Now, pardon me, I haven't introduced myself. My name is Samuel Edit. I'm from Akwa Ibom State. I'm an online entrepreneur and a digital marketer under Expanding and Seller, which are the biggest affiliate platform in Nigeria, and also a business coach. I have trained and helped 200 individuals by showing them how to make money on the internet legitimately. So you can know about me via this link. Okay, now what we need to look like is which device is permitted to use while doing online surveys. Now what you need to know is your Android 2 gig RAM upward. You can use your Android phone from 2 gig RAM upward to get access to or to start the online surveys, and your iOS too. You can actually do it. You can use your laptop, but this is not what this video is all about. So I won't permit you to watch this video if you really want to use your laptop to start the online surveys business. So what we need to know is, what is online survey? Online survey simply means answering question. This question can be about service use or product. An online survey is all about a different companies or organization that want to get people reactions. They want to get what the market says or what the masses have to say about their products. So what they do is that they give the contract to survey's website, which the survey website now give it to you who is taking the survey, and then you take the survey and you get paid. So that's basically what online survey is all about. Now let's move to the next slide. What are the challenges faces during online surveys? Now, one of the challenges faces during online survey is getting legit surveys platform. Over the years, a lot of people have been having problem doing online surveys. A lady in my contact list sent me a message saying she have been trying to do online surveys, but she couldn't. That is because a lot of people back then were trying to do it in a wrong way. Now we have been able to find a way in order to carry out surveys from a several platform, particularly platform, and get paid, because there are a lot of platform who you do survey and you will not get paid. So in this training, we are going to expose you to a platform that we know that are paying very well, and also the platform that we are trusted and we are currently working with them. So the next thing is being legitimate to partake in surveys. So usually surveys that pays in pounds or dollar directly is just assume that Africans cannot partake because our currency is not pounds or dollar. So for you to be able to partake in such survey, you have to register like a virtual UK citizen. How do you do that? I'm going to show you that in this training. So what you need to do, I really want you to pay your attention, because you are going to use a VPN to change your smartphone location so that you'll be able to access the website and use it to make money in pounds. So instead of you to receiving money from your local currency, you will be receiving it in pounds. Maybe instead of you receiving it in naira or from any African exchange or African currency like Cameroon, which is francs, you are going to receive it in pounds. And if you receive it in pounds, you'll be able to exchange it later. So the next step is inability to withdraw your funds. Another challenges people face during online surveys is inability to withdraw their funds. A lot of people in the past, after they have done survey several times, they will not be able to withdraw their funds over time. Don't worry about this, because in this training I am going to show you how the process works, and I'm going to take you through the process on how you can actually withdraw your money. So the next process is account getting banned. Please, I really need you to pay 100% attention to this part. You must be a very good protector and a protector, because you really need to protect your account. I am going to show you how to protect your account in this training. I am going to show you how you can do that so you won't get your account banned. Please pay attention and bring your writing materials and take note of each step we are going to follow in this training. So let's get to the next slide. Now what we need to look at is materials needed during online surveys. Now what you really need to know is these are the materials that you are going to be used during your online surveys. The first one is your strong VPN, which is virtual private network, and the second one is your virtual UK number, and the third one is your virtual UK bank account, and the last one is your PayPal account. So I really want you to pay attention to this. I am going to show you what VPN you are going to use and the VPN I'm going to recommend you to use in order for you to be able to access the website. After changing your location as a UK virtual citizen, you don't really need or have to be a UK or have to be in the UK. So what you need to do is you are going to use a virtual private network, which is your VPN, to change your phone location and the rest. And you also need a UK number. You are not in the UK, and there are several apps which you can use to register your UK number. So what I'm going to show you now, I'm going to show you the application that you can use to open your UK number. Now let's go to our Chrome. Okay, now go to your Play Store. What you need to do is there are two applications which you can use to get your UK number. The other application is called Vike. Now here is the Vike application, and the other one is called Cloud SIM. Now these are the two applications which you can use to open your UK number. Now let's move to our slides. And also you need a virtual UK bank account. Yes, that can be created in so many ways and in so many platforms, but as for me, I'll recommend you to use GPay or Gray so that you can use it to redeem your gifts. So after working in the survey side, you are going to get paid through your PayPal account, and from there you convert the money from your PayPal account to your virtual UK account. So let's move to our next slide. Browser needed during online survey. Now I'm going to take you through the process on how you can access the browser that you are going to use during your online surveys. Now let's go to my Play Store so that I can show you the browser. Now you need to know one of the browser that you need to use is first is your Kiwi browser and your Brave browser, and the third one is your Microsoft Edge, and the fourth one is your Firefox, and the fifth one is your Phoenix browser. Please remember, don't use Chrome. Chrome is not allowed because their network is not that strong, and it will expose you to the in the survey website. Now these are the browser that you need to use. The first one is Kiwi browser. So this is how the Kiwi browser looks like. The second one is Brave browser, and the third one is Firefox, and the fourth one is Microsoft Edge. Have you seen? And the last one is Phoenix. So these are the browsers that are permitted for you to use during online surveys. Let's move to our slides. How online surveys looks like. Now what you need to do is I'll take you through the process on how online surveys looks like. Now here are the process on how online surveys look like, on how the surveys questions look like rather. What you need to know is this one. They're asking you from memory, do you know the name of every restaurant in the world? This is impossible. You can't really know the name of every restaurant in the world, so the answer here is no. Hope you understand. This is how surveys questions look like. Like here, let's get started with surveys. Who printed the Mona Lisa? So in this process, if you don't have the idea or if you don't really know the answer to the question, don't be panicked, because I'm going to show you the AI tools which you can use to answer some survey questions. Now here is another question. What is most important when buying smart shoes, not for school, for your child age 5? So you need to choose your own best options. Now this is another question. Have you ever swum the entire length of Amazon River without stopping? This is impossible. The answer is no. You understand? So now let's check this one. Let's get this survey started. How many months in a year? Like how many months are in the year? All of us, we all know that we have 12 months in a year. So the answer, you really know what the answer is all about. So that is just for that. Peaceful is most associated with you really know the answer, so you have to go for it. So these are the survey questions. These are how the questions looks like. So question you may ask is, am I going to refer people? No, you are not going to refer people. This is not a multi-level marketing. You are not going to bring people to bring people. So what you just need to do is just be between you and yourself only. Am I going to invest money? No, the answer is no. You are not going to put money to invest money. No, this is not an investment platform, but you need money for your VPN and your own UK number. How will I get paid? Alright, in this process I'm going to explain to you how you can get paid during online surveys. Now once you complete your surveys, I'm going to show you in the next slides how you are going to get paid. But now let me explain it to you. During online surveys, there are some surveys website that pay you with point, which is once you accumulate the exact point that you need, you can now redeem the point now to the amount that you want to withdraw. Hope you understand. And then you link your PayPal account and you withdraw it through your PayPal. From there you link your UK virtual account number to your PayPal account, which you can from that PayPal withdraw your money direct to your UK account, and from that UK account you can withdraw it directly to your local bank account. When are they going to pay me? After I make some money. Alright, you like I need to really explain this process to you guys so that you guys can understand. When are they going to pay you? After you have made some money. Assuming you make money today, assuming you make like 5 or 10 or to 15 or 20 pounds today, you can withdraw your money that same day that you make it. So that is just the process. Alright, here is how the payment point looks like. If you require the point of 633 points, which is 5 pounds, then you can go ahead to link your paper and then withdraw your money. But if you can accumulate the point of 1266 points, that is approximately 10 pounds, so you can go ahead and withdraw your money. So yeah, my student result. This is one of my students say, sir, thank you for the course. After implementing what I learned, I have been able to make my first withdrawal. Thanks so much, Coach Samuel. At first I thought I won't make it in this survey thing, but your training done it possible. Have you seen? Here is what the person have been doing. It has made up to 12 pounds that particular week, which is approximately 23,000 naira. So this one say another 10 pounds just landed within 2 days. Thank you very much, Coach Samuel. This to show you that people are really making it through these online surveys. And I have some, and my students are killing it in the online surveys business. Now this is another of my students say, good day, Coach Samuel. My first withdrawal just landed last night. I have already covered the money I paid for the course with one withdrawal. Now input the smile emoji. Thank you, sir. Have you seen? So that is just the process. This is just to show you that the online surveys is working and is paying some people, and it can also pay you. And this is another of my student say, good morning boss, my December I don sure. Thank you very much, Coach Samuel. Have you seen? This is just to show you that some people are making it. If all these people can make it, then why can't you make it? You too, you can really make it through these online surveys. Now this is my payment. This is what I've been able to make during online surveys. Have you seen? Just it's not that much, but it's much, but it's not that much. This is my general earning. Have you seen? About 70 transactions have been made, which is 994 pounds. So that is just the process. Now this is another of my student saying, dinner just landed. Thank you very much, Coach Samuel, for the knowledge. Have you seen? This is $5. So during online survey, you pay they pay you during they pay you through pounds and dollars. So that's how it works. Have you seen? This is another of my student say, today is making it 6 days after I paid for the course and I already got my first payout. Thank you very much, Coach Samuel. Have you seen? This is to show you that these things are really working and these things are really paying and others are benefiting from it. So let's move to our next slide. So the sweetest part is that I'm not just earning this money alone. I have shown this opportunity to others, and through my mentorship they are also earning in pounds today just by answering simple online surveys questions. So you can get started if you want. Alright, congratulations if you have been through this process. Now this process I will really need to take you through on how you can get started with this online survey and start making your own money. Now all this result we are seeing is impressive, right? Alright, so you need to wait and listen to what is coming now. Believe me, you can accomplish this in the next 3 weeks of your time when you get started with this online survey. Now permit me to introduce you to the course that makes all these people to produce this result you see here. So if you are a student or a 9-to-5 worker or a sit-at-home mom or looking for a way to earn extra income, this business is for you. Get access to the earn in pounds and dollar blueprint that will show you all the necessary process for you to accomplish the same result you are seeing here. The earn in pounds and dollar blueprint is a step training and guidance that teaches you or anyone, no matter your age, education, background or experience. In fact, you don't really need to have any experience, you don't need to have any experience how but I assure you that how to make at least 15 to 50 pounds every single week is 100% guarantee. Now, what could you be getting in this training when you get access to this course? Now, what you are going to get is you get access to the nice survey site which we are using to cash out daily in pounds and dollar. Now, the second thing is how to pay for the strong VPN we are using to change our location. You also need to get access to this to this. These are what you need to learn after you purchase this course. So the next thing is how to get a UK number easily. Yes, in this course I'm going to show you how you can get a virtual UK number and you'll be able to use it to receive your money and send it out also. And the next step is how to answer survey question like a UK citizen, which we have trained and shown others, and you'll be able to learn all this too. Now, the next step is how to get a strong UK PayPal account to collect your money. Yes, in this video training I am going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can accomplish all this. And the next process is how to get a UK foreign bank account without leaving the country. Yes, I'm going to show you how to create a UK PayPal account in this training guide. So the next step is how to collect your payment through gift card. Yes, a lot of others have been receiving their payments from the online survey platform through gift card, and I will show you how you can do that too in case you don't have access to the paper, and now you can receive it through paper and then redeem it. Then I'm going to show you access, and I'm going to give you access to my free mentorship. Yes, I'm going to give you access to my free mentorship, and I'm going to manage your account and prevent it from getting banned. Yes, I will show you how to really do this. And the next thing is I'm going to show you how to configure your phone for this business, because you need to really configure your phone from a Nigerian phone to a UK phone so that you won't get your account banned. Everything you need to become profitable with this online service business, I'm going to show you and show you perfectly well. And the most important here is my free mentorship. You are going to get access to my free mentorship. Please note, this is not a class. No, it is a well-detailed course that everything has been done for you. It's just for you to follow up the learning and the training and implement what you will be seeing there, which you are going to be given access to. Hope you understand. Now, how much will I be charging for this exclusive mentorship and all these things? Honestly, I can easily charge you 100,000 naira, yes, because I am confident that we are going to make this money between 30 days. But no, I won't charge you that because I want to help you. I will allow you to get started with 20k only. We will travel together in this online survey joining, and I bet my chest that you could make your money back in the less than 30 days with plenty of the profit, because I love to see all others prosper, and God knows and sees my heart. I am a genuine human being. I want you to start earning in pounds, especially at this period where 1 pound is over 2,200 naira, which it might likely go up anytime soon. And so instead of you to pay this 20,000 naira, what I would like you to do is I will allow those that are going to pay now to go for a 50% discount. Yes, you are going to pay 9,000 instead of this 20,000 now, because the price won't be at the same. So for you to make the payment now, what you need to do is you need to go through these account details now and make the payment, and send your payment proof to my WhatsApp number so that I can get you registered. All right, thank you for being to the end of this presentation. See you in the training group.